Hi, this is Jasmeet from Aura, and today I'm presenting your all-new Venom D862 DSP. It is a signal and head unit which has a built-in 8-channel DSP, a Class D 6 into 71 watt RMS amplifier. Now let's come across the feature of the product. The peak power of the product is 6 into 141 watt. It comes with 8-channel DSP, Bluetooth version 5.3. It supports all the lossless FLAC files. It has a mobile app to control all the built-in DSP features. It supports 48 band of parametric EQ, and in total there are 8 RCA outputs of 6 volt each. So let's begin with the unboxing of the product. As soon as you open the box, you have this beautiful Aura DSP sticker. It comes with bunch of accessories, for example the remote, the RCA harness, the power harness and the output lead, a manual, 2 clamps. Now let's have a look at the product itself. It has a solid aluminium chassis for heat dissipation. On the rear side you can see one antenna coupler, one coupler for RCAs, one coupler for your power and output wires, 135 mm fuse, and on the front side you have a big display, a USB. It supports USB playback and auxiliary input, and it comes with a volume knob. So let's begin with the demonstration of Aura Lab mobile app. You can download this app on Google Play Store or on iOS App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can open it. You can click the top right button, connect the DSP. Once the DSP is connected, you will be proceeded with this screen. On this screen, you can select between various source, PT music. If you have plugged in a USB, you can select the USB. For aux in, you can press the aux in button, and to control the radio, you can use this. You can scroll between each and every channel. This middle button will change between your AM and FM modes. Then comes this level button. You can increase or decrease the subwoofer level from here. Also the master volume. This one is to select between different presets. In order to change the preset, you can click between different presets. In order to save a preset, you need to hold down the preset button for 2 seconds. And in case you want to rename it, you can click this button and you can rename it to anything you like. Then comes the settings button. Here you can factory reset the device. Let's come to the audio settings. From here you can see this menu. Let's first come to the crossover section. You will be presented with multiple channels. You can click on each channel. Then you can set what speaker type are you using. For example, I'm using a Pro mid-range 6.5 inch. I can select that, and it will automatically adjust the crossover based on the speaker type. Channel 7 and channel 8 will be assigned to the subwoofer. So the subwoofer, you can manually adjust between the subsonic or the HPF. You can select between various HPF types. You can select various slopes, and you can also select the LPF through here. Scroll down and then you will see more options of LPF type, LPF slope, the gain, and you can change between the phase, normal or reverse. This is the equalizer section. You are presented with all the 48 bands that you can set through this thing. From here you can select between various Q factor. The lower you go, the wider frequency it will target. The higher you go, the narrower frequency it will target. You can also shift to the graphic EQ mode from the bottom left button. From here you can make the adjustment according to your needs. You can scroll in right to see further frequencies. This is the time alignment section. We can change between the different units, milliseconds or centimeters. You can mute and unmute each speaker. You can click on the speaker. You can adjust the distance from here, and you can also decrease or increase the gain of each and every speaker. Then comes the fader balance section. You can move the sound rear or in front using this slider, and you can shift it to left or right using the slider. Then we come to the subwoofer and loudness settings. You can turn on or turn off the subwoofer output from here. You can change between the stereo or mono mode using this button. This is useful if you are connecting 1 RCA or 2 RCAs. You can increase or decrease the level using the slider. For loudness, we have 2 settings, level 1, level 2. And for bass boost, we have all the way up to level 5. Then we come to the volume section. This is to limit the volume. This one is the volume on power on. You can adjust it according to your need. And in case if you want the volume steps to be changed, you can increase or decrease it from here. Then comes this button of mute on exit. So it will mute if you exit the app. Q link on all bands. It will link the Q value of all the EQ bands. And this one is the Pro audio mode in case you want to tune it according to your way. So in Pro audio mode, you can select between each and every channel using the button on the right side. You can set between the various HPF frequencies. You can again change the HPF type and the slope. On the display section, you can change the RGB color. You can select the dimmer level. You can turn on or turn off the display. You can turn on or turn off the spectrum. This one is for the tuner in case you want to change the radio settings. This one is to change the Bluetooth settings to increase or decrease the mic gain for audio calls. And in system, you can select your GPS app. You can select the animation timing. You can turn on and turn off the demo mode, the beep setting, aux in, music player, car accessories. And there is also an option to increase or decrease the accessory of delay. This one is to eliminate the pop sound which comes after you turn off the setup. So this is the basic overview of AurAAudio mobile app.